Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial on how to run a code in Visual Studio. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know to become skilled with this powerful code editor. Let's get started. On the left hand side, you will see sidebar with options like Explorer, Search, Source Control, Run and Debug, Extensions, and Testing. The editor area is in the center where you will write your code. At the bottom, you will find status bar displaying useful information. In the workplace section, we have uploaded all the necessary image, video, and cascade files we have used in our MethdAI projects. You can simply add them to your code and you are good to go. Now, let's write some code. You can type directly into the editor area. I have already added code for your reference. Afterward, on the right hand side, you will find options to run your code. Click on it to see the output. Here, in this output, my code is identifying birds in a particular video. One of the great things about VS Code is its extensibility. You can enhance its functionality by installing extensions. We have already added extensions for you. To create a new file, simply right-click on the folder icon and choose any options. You can create a file in this folder or create another folder and add a file inside it. To delete any file or folder, simply right-click and select Delete. Now, let's discuss what to do when you encounter an error. If you run into an error while writing your code, don't panic. Take a moment to read the error message and identify the issue. Once you have identified the problem, make necessary corrections to your code and run it again. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering Visual Studio Code. I hope this video has helped you get started with VS Code. And with that, I will leave you to explore the endless possibilities of Visual Studio Code. Thank you for joining me.